Hey, it's Gianta here, and this is going to be a Go High Level tutorial for beginners. So this video is going to be for somebody who knows the importance of building and growing your email list. This is going to be for people who want to create their own digital products, who want to create a membership site, or want to be able to create sales funnels, or be able to manage and grow the business for themselves or their clients. So if you're a coach, this is going to be able to help you with that as well. And I'm going to take you through a step-by-step walkthrough tutorial of what high level is, and I'm going to show you actually what's working in 2026. So I'm going to share with you some alternatives for a fraction of the cost that you would pay for high level that work very, very well if you like simplicity. And I'm a big fan of simplicity, so I want to be able to share those things with you. So let's get into it right now. So here's what high level is. This is an all-in-one marketing platform that allows you to have your CRM. Your CRM is your contact relationship manager, which means anybody who comes into your funnel or buys a product from you, you will be able to follow up with them. It comes with unlimited sales funnels. It comes with a website builder. It comes with surveys and forms, email marketing. It comes with SMS marketing. It comes with your booking and appointments. It comes with website automations, workflow automations, courses and products. It comes with training. It comes with reputation management, tracking and analytics. So if you're somebody who wants to know your stats, it will show your stats, communities, and document settings, and also stuff for mobile, right? So they say it's $1,600 a month worth in value, but you get it for $97. This is just the starting price. And so it starts at $97. It could go all the way up to $500 a month. Most people will start in the middle here for $297. And they start in the middle because it has API integrations. And if you're creating your own products and you have a store, for example, or you have products that you're selling, your funnel builder tool needs to link to a payment processor. So how they do that is through API, right? It's basically a communication tool. So they have basic API access with this package for $297. So this is for selling products. So if you want to do this, you're going to be paying $297 a month to be able to sell products, right? And so this is what this is. Now, what I like to do is I like simplicity. So if you're somebody who likes simplicity like me and you don't want to pay $297, I could show you the system that I'm using that does the same thing for $25 per month. So let's get into it right now. So here's the page that you see below this video. So if you go to the first link below this video, this is basically one of my capture pages. And this is the funnel builder tool that I use. And it's very easy to use. You just click and you can edit whatever you want to. It comes with your CRM, so here's your contacts. It comes with your store. You could book appointments. Right here, here's your appointments. So this has everything that High Level has for $25 per month. Not to mention that we pay you $20 per month in residual income. So if you like residual income, you're getting 80% commissions if you decide to use our funnel builder tool, right? And the cool thing about this is if I go into here and I come down here and I go to add a new step, add a page, I could go into a section that my web guy has created, and it has some very nice pages. This right here has a video link tree, which has your banner at the top here, so it brands yourself. It has a video here, so you can actually go and put whatever you want up here, and you can give people a reference to what's down here on your page, and you could recommend whatever you want to. You could also put a video with an opt-in page on here, and it's very nicely made. All you have to do is go and add this page to your builder when you have it, right? So you can use that. You can use any of these pages in here that are already created for you. So you don't have to spend time worrying about how to create pages. You have this already done and ready to go for you. Here's for your appointments. If we scroll down right here, you can see we have all these different pages in these very nice designed pages. They're professionally designed. And we scroll down a little bit more, and this stuff is just really, really cool. These pages are really nice, really well put together. Here's for products. And then we have here's your Here's your buttons. So you just copy a button and you can easily add it to your page. Here's for a membership, right? So your video goes right here. Your module goes right here. Here's your sidebar right here. You just use these pages and you could go and easily create your own membership. It's really cool. You have all these things right here at your access when you get your hands on our funnel builder tool for $25 per month, and it does everything that GoHighLevel does, right? So this is the real cool thing about this. And if you want to learn more about this, you can come over here to this page right here. This is going to be the second link below this video, and you can learn more about that and how the system works. But you basically get everything that GoHighLevel has for $25 per month. And so this is how this works. So this is your funnel builder tool, and you get the appointment booker. You also get access to a bunch of training. So we have the Funnel Builders Academy. We show you everything you need to know about building out your funnels and everything like that. It comes with the emailer, which is it's an in-house emailer, so you don't have to pay monthly fees for emailing. It's pay as you go. You get about 15,000 email credits when you go and you use this, right? So you can get 15,000 credits for $15. So you only pay for what you use as far as email goes. And we've made this very, very simple to where you can actually go and you could see your contacts, you could see your autoresponder and your forms right here. So this has all this stuff, and my average open rate is almost 14% right here. And I have very high stats when it comes to emailing with this tool. We have email validation and bot protection in here. So, that's what you have with this. And, right here is where we have all the training for the funnel builder tool. And then we have premium coaching. So when you go to sign up, when you go and you sign up, it's going to be $35, and you get 2 weeks worth of the coaching. This coaching portion right here teaches you all about traffic strategies. So we have every single traffic strategy that you could possibly want to learn in here. We have how to launch your business, how to invite people, how to get free leads with Facebook, how to follow up and nourish your leads, how to do short form video, how to do YouTube ranking, how to do easy button YouTube strategy to get more people to your videos, how to get free traffic from Facebook, how to do podcasting, how to do a secret podcast, how to get traffic from LinkedIn, how to do lives the right way, how to do a blog, how to launch your business. So if you're doing launches with your products, we show you all that stuff in this section right here. We also have some very cool AI tools. We have a prompt writer. We have an image creator that has all the paid versions of the paid AI tools, so you don't have to pay for them. We have a smart poster that will post all your videos across all your social media platforms at once. So you take one video and you could post it across all your social media platforms. And then we have something to help you to write emails. So this is the email writing tool. So if you struggle with writing emails, this will help you to do this. And then we have daily live hands-on coaching. We meet every single day and we help people to learn the skills of marketing. So we do anything from write emails that serve and sell right in front of you, so you know how to write emails. We show you how to create video content, how to rank that video content so you get it in top of the search. So this way you're getting traffic. We show you how to connect with people on Facebook, and we do it right in front of you. So there's no guesswork when it comes to what to do in your marketing. We show you every single day. So if you get stuck on anything, you actually get support every single day. We are the only platform that gives daily hands-on support, and we give 80% commissions across the board for everything, right? So you get 80% for everything that you actually own, and it comes with your emailer. We also have a Facebook friend inviter tool. So if you're building a business and you want to get free leads from Facebook, the tool is going to go out and actually help you to generate leads from Facebook, right? So it's really cool in that way. And if you want to get your hands on that, go to this page right here and click on the second link in the description, and it will allow you to learn more information about it, right? So I also have a link to my traffic store down below, And if you want to get into my free Facebook group, there's going to be a link for that as well. It's where I give tips, tricks, and strategies on how to build and grow your business online. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any time that I upload a new video. And if you have any questions, leave your questions in the comments below. I will answer all the questions, and I will be able to get back to you, right? So make sure you go to the second link below this video, and I will talk to you soon. Bye for now.